Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Again we are back with our videos. You can see nursery English worksheet number 7 week 3. You can see here I am going to send the videos from week 3. Week 1 and week 2 I have not given you any videos because I just want to observe how you people are doing. But I found many mistakes. I found that you people need my guidance. So I'm again back with the videos. I'm going to show you the videos every day. Watch my video and do the worksheets. Let's start. You can see today's topic and today's our concept is strokes. See here, strokes. S-T-R-O-K-E-S. Strokes. What are strokes, children? Can you tell me? Strokes are nothing but standing line, sleeping line, right slanting line, left slanting line. So these all are strokes. Today we are going to learn 4 strokes, children. How many strokes? 4 strokes. Standing line, sleeping line, right slanting line, left slanting line. Okay, children? Now I'll show you the standing line. See here. This is called standing line. Standing line. Straight standing line. After standing line, I will show you sleeping line. Sleeping line. You can see sleeping line. After sleeping line, I want to show you right slanting line. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. After right slanting line, I want to show you left slanting line. Left slanting line. So today we are going to do strokes. Now I'll show you how to write the strokes. See here, this is your worksheet number 7, children. Worksheet number 7, we are going to recapitulate all the strokes. In our week 1 and week 2 also I have given you worksheets. In that I have given you strokes. But today I am going to show you how to write the strokes. See here, I have given you the dots. Recapitulation of strokes. Say and write standing line. Which line you can see? In worksheet 7, standing line. Here I have given the dots, children. Trace the dots. Standing line. Slowly, slowly trace the dots. Standing line. Which line we are writing, children? Standing line. Slowly, slowly you have to trace the dots. Straight. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. The same you have to do. Okay, full page. See here, I have given two dots. Children, from this dot to this dot you have to join. Standing line. Standing line. Standing line. Like this, neatly you have to do. Okay? After this, if you turn the page, you have one more line, sleeping line. In your worksheet 7, you can see, if you turn the page, you will have sleeping line. So, how does sleeping line comes? Like this. Join the dots, sleeping line. What we are doing? We are tracing. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Here I have given only 2 dots. From this dot to this dot you have to join. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. And children, this full page you have to do. See the dots. Sleeping line. Write the sleeping line full page. very neatly. After this, in our worksheet number 8, we have right slanting line. See, say and write, right slanting line. We have right slanting line now. See this? Trace the dots, right slanting line. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Full page you have to do. Here I have given only 2 dots. Join these 2 dots. Right slanting line. Okay? This dot to this dot. If you do like this, this is wrong. This is not the correct method. This is wrong. If you do like this, teacher will put you wrong. This is not right. Erase it and join the dots properly. So this one is wrong. I have given you dot like this. You have to join. This is the right method. Okay? Join the dots correctly. Right slanting line. The full page you have to do this. After this, if you turn the page, you will have left slanting line. See here. Now we are going to trace left slanting line. Trace the dots, left slanting line. These lines will help us to write the letters, numbers. Okay? If you learn strokes, after that you can write letters and numbers. Okay, children? This is called left slanting line. Here I have given only 2 dots. So you have to trace from this dot to this dot. Left slanting line. Left slanting line. Left slanting line. So like this you have to do full page. Left slanting line. After this, in worksheet number 9, you can see recapitulation of strokes, standing line, sleeping line, right slanting line and left slanting line. So here we have to again recapitulate the strokes. Which strokes we learn, children? How many strokes we learn today? Today we learn 4 strokes. Standing line, sleeping line, right slanting line, left slanting line. So here trace this standing line. Then here join the dots. Standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line, standing line. Like this full page you have to do. Then see next which line? Sleeping line. Trace this and join the dots. Sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Okay? Sleeping line. After sleeping line, right slanting line. The line should a little slant. Okay, children? Right slanting line. Right slanting line. Right slanting line. If you write this slanting line like this, so this is called standing line. The slanting line should be a little slant. Okay? So this is the wrong method. Erase it and write it again. Right slanting line. Okay? See the next one. Left slanting line. Left slanting line. Left slanting line. Left slanting line. Join the dots. 2 dots I have given you. Left slanting line. If you turn the page, you have one more full page of the strokes. Standing line, sleeping line, right slanting line, left slanting line. The same you have to do full page, children. After doing the worksheets also, you can maintain the notebooks, write in your notebooks also and do practice. Come and send it to me. Thank you all.